Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today's video, I'm going to be giving you some easy steps to eyebrow, getting the perfect eyebrow with your razor blade. So let's get right into the video.
I'm using a new razor blade for this because I think it's just safer and faster for me. You also need a brush to brush the hair to different directions. I'm using an old toothbrush. You can decide to use a spoolie. The first step is to brush down the hairs and start from the upper part. You can start from any part actually. This is where you determine the kind of shape you want to give the brows. The way you trim depends on the kind of shape you want to give your brows. Different people use different shapes, but for a starter, I think that following the shape of your eyebrows is just easier. So you trim the hairs above, that's not the main eyebrows. You can see me maintaining the curves that my brows already have, which is easier for a starter. Make sure you keep brushing as you go so that you will see how far you've come and if there's any need to trim more. This is a trimmed video, so you need longer time to do this, especially as a beginner. You need patience. Take note of the ways that I'm holding my razor at each point. Start trimming for the lower parts. You brush down the hair, then any hair that is above or below the major lines of your brows, you trim it out. While doing this, you really need to take your time and be careful because any mistake shows on the brows, and if it's a permanent mistake, that means you have to wait till your hair grows back, and you don't want that. So it's important that you take your time and be patient with yourself. You keep trimming these hairs until you get exactly what you want. See, as I'm taking my time to pull out even the tiniest hair till it becomes as thick as you want. You also brush up and trim the hairs that's above your brow lines. This way, anyhow you brush it, it will still look like it's carved. You can see that now it's already coming together and we are not even done. As you can see, I'm still trying to get the kind of slope that I want. So I'm trimming it so that the lines will be thicker. It's important to hold your razor loosely so that it won't be harsh with your skin. Even the tiniest hair in the wrong place can change the shape of your brows. So you want to take your time and trim out as much as you can. The last step is to trim the hair at the inner corner so you can give it a more natural look. I said trim. If you go from the roots, you will look bald. Trim, you just shorten the hairs there so that it will look lighter. You can watch these steps if you are confused. You can also leave a comment down below. Repeat this step for the other brows,
Just
and
like that, we are done.
this is the final look. I use natural light for this, so it's kind of chaotic. If this was helpful, like, share, subscribe, and let me know if you try this. Thank you.